it does make our lives easier, I think. I mean, I feel I use it all the time. And not just, I mean, I do use, our large language models, ChatGPT, Gemini slash Bard, those. But really, and you're in it. About the advancement in AI, and we were talked about the NVIDIA conference last week, and um, but there are really some amazing things happening. I'm like, I really don't think it's going to make our jobs harder or replace us, but I do think it's going to make our jobs way more interesting. In the world of tech, we are professional problem solvers, and it just gives us far more interesting variables to deal with. Opportunities, I think, the opportunities that AI are going to offer us the next, you know, 2 to 5 years alone are just going to blow our mind. I'm so excited about the problems that we're going to help to be a part of solving.
Did you see the article today? I was looking at MSNBC of a fake video of the Pope. Hello, designers.
No.
We have a new problem that we have to solve. It was on MSNBC today, and I'm like, the election's coming up. Can you imagine the foolishness that we're about to get ourselves into? So now we have to start thinking, how can we differentiate our actual work from AI's manipulation of work? And how is that gauged? So it's not about, is AI taking our jobs? No way. If anything, I think it's going to create jobs in a sense. It's going to take some too. Let's be honest, but it's going to create some because now we need fact checkers or whatever their new name would be. We need image consultants, but not to make you beautiful, to verify what's real and what's fake. We need voice recognition capabilities that's going to be able to differentiate our machine learning from actual people. And somebody's going to have to design these systems to make them readable, to make sure they're accessible, to make sure they're beautiful, to make sure that they are able to be viewed on every platform, whether it's a phone or an iPad or a watch or whatever new technology we're going to have coming out. So I think it's a beautiful time to get in. And it's just another reason of understanding the degree phenomenon and going into a careerist platform because it's not this isn't this isn't a book smart thing anymore. It's, can you think on your feet? Can you think a certain way to get the imagery that we need for our audience to be able to buy whatever or pay attention to our articles or whatever the ultimate goal is. And that's what I want us, if we could, man, if I could just take everybody's brain and switch it, we have to think differently. That's it. And I'm getting excited because I'm moving my hands and I'm even moving it around the mic. But we have to really start thinking differently because our kids are even learning differently. Somebody's going to have to design those new AR, VR goggles that they're going to have to make for kids. They're going to have to because our kids, they have to be exposed. And so I'm excited about the future. Of course, there's the Terminator version as well, and we'll do a separate episode about that.